Good afternoon, dear mates and tutor. My name is Andrea Villarreal, and this is Unit 2, Identify Technology Value. In the technology, the synoptic table of the problem that we choose is the lack of information on the market and commercialization channels. It means that the problem has causes and consequences. Some of the causes are few training strategies, lack of investigation processes, lack of the preparation of entrepreneurs. Some consequences are absence of a business plan, main reasons why business falls, offer unsuitable products, and not preventing the reaction of the competition. Two of the recommendations to face the difficulty of lack of information on the market and commercialization channels are the key is to differentiate yourself, because otherwise you will be competing on prices, something that is not usually stable on the long term. For this, you not only have to know how to use communication tools such as social networks, but above all, you know how to communicate clear but powerful message about your product or service. For this is the first things is to know what are the benefits and and then communicate them. Another recommendation is the criterion of analyzing markets and marketing first is the correct way to face any productive project. In this way, with the information available, we manage to reduce the risk of its implementation. Thank you all and good night.